Let's create the following mockup. To start off, you're going to come over here to apps, and inside this search bar, you're going to search for mockups, and you're going to select this first option here, and it's going to ask us whether we want to use an existing design or would want to use it in a new design. I'm going to click on use it in a new design, and it's also going to ask us what we'd like to create. I'm going to click on video. Once you have our blank video design right here, to see a huge library of mockup images that you can use. These mockup images are separated into categories, so like videos, smartphones, print, apparel, frame, and so much more. To add your images, you're going to first select your mockup. Let's select one of these, and you can resize your mockup right inside your video design. Once you're good with it, you will drag an image right onto this monitor frame, come over to uploads, and I'm going to pick on one of the images that I have on my. You can see that our image has been uploaded onto this monitor. If you'd want to edit it further, you can click on this mockup right here, and you're going to come over here to edit. You can adjust the positioning of your image. For my case, I would want the image to fill this monitor frame. So I'm going to click on fill, and I'm going to click on apply changes, and it's going to apply the changes onto this mockup. Some other mockups provides a wide range of editing tools. For example, if you pick on a mockup like apparel, let me pick on that t-shirt right here, and then resize it so that it's big enough and visible. From here, we are going to insert our image. Pick on another image. I'm going to drag that image there. Our image has been uploaded. You're going to click on this mockup, and you're going to come over here to edit, adjust the size of our image if you so wish. Something really interesting about this mockup is that you can change the color of this apparel right here. There's an option of color. We can change the color. You can choose black, and then click on apply changes so that you can see how it looks like once you've applied the changes. This makes it really easy for you to play around with your mockups, and it makes our editing process really easy and quick. Something else to note about mockups is that when you click on a mockup and you come over here to edit, you'll realize that these editing tools are not our traditional Canva editing tools. If you'd want to use Canva editing tools, you're going to come over here to share, and you're going to download this image as a PNG. On download, and you're going to select PNG and then download your image. From there, you can access Canva's editing tools. Something else worth noting is that you cannot drag videos onto your mockups. That might change in the future, but something really cool about the current mockups is that there is another category called videos that has been introduced onto these mockups. When you come over here to videos, you can see that there's a wide range of videos that you can be able to use as mockups. Pick on one of those, and you can see that it's really cool. Adjust the size of this mockup. From here, you can upload your image. I'm going to pick on that image there, and you can see that our image has been uploaded. Cool. If you want to edit it, again, use the same method. Come over here to edit, adjust your image, and then click on apply changes, and you can see that it looks really cool. If you have a video that you'd want to add onto your mockup, you're going to pick on a mockup, and you're going to drag a traditional Canva frame onto this mockup here. Come over here to elements and search for frame. You can pick on a frame that you can place right on top of this mockup here. Adjust it. Once your mockup is ready, we will come over to uploads. We're going to upload a video, drag our video and drop it there. And you can see that our video has now been displayed on our mockup. Cool. Let's put everything together so that you can come up with a really cool commercial using the different mockups that you have just seen. To do that, pick up this monitor mockup here, adjust this monitor, come over here to uploads, pick on that first image, create the next scene. Click on these three dots here and now click on duplicate page. Delete that mockup there. Pick on that tablet, adjust our tablet right there. Come over here to uploads. Upload this other image right there. Create the next scene again. Now click on these three dots. Click on duplicate page. Delete that mockup. Add a video mockup. Adjust our mockup image. Drag it and you drop it. Come over here to edit. Click on fit so that our image just fits the entire screen. Click on apply changes. Create another scene and select another mockup. Come over here to elements. Click on frame. Adjust this frame such that it fits this entire. Come over here to uploads. Select that video there. Drag it and just ensure that it's dropped right inside that empty monitor frame. Let's add our final mockup and we're going to come over here to elements, search for a frame, fit it right inside this mockup. Once you're done, you're going to upload a video. Come over here to videos, upload that video there. Finally, we're going to add some animation to this mockup. Come over here to this first one and we're going to click on animate and would want it to zoom. Then come over to the second one, click on animate as well. Once you're done with the animations, we're going to add some transitions. We're going to hover in between these two scenes and you're going to click on add transitions, click on dissolve and apply between all the pages. Add some music, drag and place it just below our scenes. We can also reduce the volume of this music. Download it, click on share and click on download. Download it as an MP4 video. Click on download. And that is it for today's video. Until next time, God bless.